Does your dog or cat urinate in the wrong places? Then this video is for you. Apply it just once and you will never have this problem again. With just this tip, I'm sure you will be surprised. And to start, we add 100 milliliters of alcohol in a container. You can use a measuring cup or a half cup. We will need an essence, and I will use eucalyptus, but it can also be lime. And if you don't have it or can't find it, you can use a disinfectant instead. The important thing is that it is citrus. We add 2 tablespoons of essence. The next ingredient is kitchen detergent. 150 milliliters of detergent. It could be whatever you prefer. I'm using the lemongrass one, which I love. I am sure you will never have this problem with your pet urinating in the wrong places again. And we mix well. We will also add the juice of half a lime. If you want to increase performance, add 250 milliliters of water. It can be at room temperature. And to help with the application, we put it in a sprayer. Now simply apply it on the places you don't want your pet to relieve itself. I love this trick because in addition to solving these problems, it also leaves a very good smell. Don't worry, this mixture is not harmful to your pet. He just doesn't like the smell since everything we use is citrus and pets don't like strong smells. That was today's tip. I hope you liked it. I recommend that you do it at home. And don't forget to tell us the results you obtained. See you in the next video. God bless you and your entire family.